3.
Okay, so you have u plus 1 over 2 plus 2u plus 3 over 3 equals u over 4. You're
So
trying to
if
solve
you
for
have
u.
this, can you...
Yeah, you could find the lowest common denominator and then multiply them all by the lowest common denominator. So what is the lowest common denominator?
12.
Right? Because what you're doing is if you multiply this by 12,
all the bottom numbers, which is easier.
so what's 12 divided by 2?
12 divided by 2?
Yep. You have a 2 there. So
Oh,
you're
you
actually doing
multiply by
12 divided by 2, which is 6. But it's 6 times u plus 1. So it's 6u plus 6. And then if I multiply this by 12, it's plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8u plus 12, yeah.
Is equal to 3u.
Equals to, you're multiplying this by 12, so it's 3u, exactly. So that's a quick way to do it.
Okay.
Add all your u's, your like terms. This is a positive 3u on the right side, it becomes negative, so 6u plus 8u minus 3u equals, this positive 12 becomes negative 12.
Yeah.
And the positive 6 becomes negative 6.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, so what'd you get?
I might have messed something up. Oops.
So we have 8 plus 6 is 14, take away 3, which is 11. No, you got it right. And then negative 12 take away 6.
Is negative... Is 8... Negative 18.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I did wrong.
11u... No.
Oh.
So divide both sides by 11. And I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. Negative 18 over 11 is what you got, right?
I did it different.